Before starting today's topic, I'm reminded of a powerful quote from Mahatma Gandhi in which he said that this earth has enough to satisfy man's need but not to satisfy one's greed. These lines perfectly show the relation between the economic development and pollution. Yes, today's my topic is economic development and pollution. Economic development refers to the development in manufacturing industries, infrastructure development, and increase in GDP and GNP, or many more. But this economic development is interlinked with the pollution. To understand the link between the economic development and pollution, let's have a look at historical example. From Green Revolution, we all know that the Green Revolution bring prosperity to Indian state with the increase in production of crops like rice and wheat, where the excessive use of HYB seeds, fertilizers, but this excessive use of fertilizer and pesticides lead to the soil pollution, and excessive irrigation leads to the groundwater depletion. So we can say that at first, which seemed as a great economic achievement, resulted in a long-term impact on environment. Another example is of LPG reforms of 1990s. Liberalization, privatization and globalization open spaces for the commercial development, manufacturing industries and infrastructure development like road, railways and some commercial industry. But also these leads to the environmental degradation that time we needed space for building industries, and for that we cut down forest and also encroach the farmlands, which resulted in loss of biodiversity and environmental degradation. Apart from this, construction of dam for irrigation and electricity supply, this submerge a large land area also display a huge population, which causes loss of biodiversity, marine pollution and many others. And rapid urbanization is also a cause of global warming, because in urbans there is excessive use of vehicles, AC and other things, which leads to the greenhouse gas emissions. And nowadays the extensive use of plastic, which is not a biodegradable product, which cannot decompose in its own and leads to soil and marine pollution. Even moreover, we have not spare space also, because by satellites and other equipments we have polluted the space, and this had added to the list of environmental impacts which human made. So from this we learn that how economic development leads to the environmental degradation. Here we need to understand that economic development is important for a nation's growth, but it should not come at a cost of environment. As we need to make sure that we have not inherited these resources from ancestors. We have borrowed our resources from our future generations, and we should act responsibly and protect the resources for future generation. We should work on a sustainable development where we not only fulfill our needs but preserve resources and make sure that future generation will not have any problem. Thank you.